Hello everyone, I'm going to demonstrate my tire inflator which I bought from Amazon. It's the Bergman tire inflator and I use it regularly to top up the tires on all of my cars. So if you can see here, I have connected it to the valve stem and I'm going to set the pressure to 33 psi, which is what I prefer in this car, and you just turn it on. Really quickly. It's a bit noisy, but it works very well and it doesn't take too long. It's very handy. So there's an auto off feature here. When it becomes 33, it just turns off. It just plugs into any 12 volt socket. This one's the rear socket in my car, and it's got a backlight. It's very handy at night, and it's got a torch as well. So you can see this torch if you get stuck at night when it's all dark. This one's easy for you to use when you need to top up your tires. Thank you.